scrambled eggs without it sticking in stainless steel. So here we go. This is how to do it right. We're gonna point this down so you can see what I'm up to. Okay, I got the pan turned on, preheating. You know that the pan is ready when the water beads. So this is what we're looking for. A little bit of water, we sprinkle it on the pan, the water beads like mercury, that means that it's time. So I'm gonna take a tiny bit of butter. You really don't need a lot, just a tiny bit. Make sure that your butter is not smoking, okay? We don't want it smoking. We're gonna just kind of swirl that around. All right, and then that's just enough heat. You don't ever want your butter to turn brown, okay? So I'm gonna turn down the heat a little bit as I crack these eggs in to mix them up. So in goes 1 egg, in goes 2 eggs. Obviously I'm a chef. That's a joke because a child could probably do a better job of that. Anyways, whipping it up. If you're gonna put a little bit of salt, do it like while you're whipping it. Okay, there we go. In goes the eggs. We hear that nice, you know, sound where it's all crunchy and start searing. And then just wait for it to kind of firm up a little bit and then just kind of move it around. So the beautiful thing is the pan's preheated. We didn't use like a bunch of oil. Like, don't cook with olive oil, people. That's not, it breaks into a trans fat. Always use grapeseed oil, coconut oil, a little bit of butter. Always makes it better. That's what I always say. And my pan, I'm gonna just turn it off because it's already cooked enough. Like, the pan's hot enough right now where I don't even need more heat from it, okay? The heat from the pan where it's at right now is enough to finish cooking the eggs. But you can see that, you know, they're not sticking, and that's because we preheated it properly. And then we added a tiny bit of oil to fill those pores. And then we reduced the temperature, scrambled the eggs, and added them in. If you want them more fluffy, you can totally use some milk or something in there. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and take them, grab myself a handle, pop it on, and then just and there you go. We got like some amazing scrambled eggs. Breakfast for champions like me. Yeah! So I'm just gonna eat my little eggie. You could do it too, guys. Super easy, okay?